you wanted to see how I did my brows. Alright, so put on some moisturizer. Don't worry me, nothing to cut the jar. Cause guess what now? Your girl buy one cheap one and see the result here. One spot. Because it, see it here? Woolly panite, brand new. Woo. But it look like it's a min agree. And so still I use some pan. I'm gonna reach at the store and for that one. That one is 3 pounds. So let's use a little bit. So it look like it irritate my skin. Alright, and I also use some of this. Like afterwards to just, you know, refresh my skin and yeah, Rocco box up. Anyway, girl. So let me show you what am I going to use. I'm going to show you all that I'm going to use. Okay. So these are all that I need. 4 little items. Let me show you. So this is the concealer that I use, which is it says around here. Let me turn it around. It says natural GCN72 natural. So this is all I use. Here's my brush, my pencil, and this is Nikak. Pronunciation is right. Pencil that I use, but it doesn't matter the brand. I can use any pencil. The color is dark brown, and of course my sharpener, because I need it to be, you know, pointed for me to do it. Not necessarily point, but have a point for me to do my brows. Alright, let me discard of this. Alright, this is away. Away! So here we go. So my brows are that way. So I just kind of try to get it more arch, because it's not necessarily arch, but I want to be arch. Alright. So I don't pull it. I just start to take it to the direction that I want it to go. You notice I'm going further up. Mindful, they're outside, they're too excited. The tree is gonna go up. So we go up close. See? So you notice my brow is down here and the arch that I want is here. There's no here there. Alright. And then all I need to do now is to fill that in all the way up to the top. I'll go back again. So you try to make it as clean as possible. See that? I'll go in. I'll go in. Can I get the bottom now to fade that, you know, that point? Don't listen to that. See that now? So you see me going in more than one, because remember I tell you that there is no brows there, so you have to fade it in. And then now this is what I do. So I'm just brushing everything in to make everybody to be one.
I feel like there's so much space over here, Mommy. There's so much space. It's all the things fly.
Alright, Sheryl, I'll be back. I soon talk to you. I'm doing something.
Sorry.
Alright. So you see now? So let me come a little bit closer. You see? So I start fading it in. So I can go again to get it a bit, because I don't want it to look too far out. So just go in. And I use my fingers, any finger, whether you're big, you're little, which finger you're comfortable, and kind of fade it in, right? But you see, I don't want it to look, see like it here thin and it's at a spine sometimes. And I kind of go in a little bit more. Right, and then I use that just to make sure it's beautiful. And then if you look up there, you know, you see that I need to fill in this spot here. I go again. And I just put in more. Alright. So it don't look too bad now, right? Right. Then you need to match this with that. So see the before? No, sorry. See the before? See the before? After. Before. After. Alright. So I think I'm done. But I'm not done. But just I come. Alright, so cover that up, right? Oh Jesus. So what I do now, take off my lid. So some people squeeze up, but I have enough. So you just squeeze up. And then I just have a brush. Brush some. That's a little. You can barely see it, right? That barely see it. Boom, boom. And then now you will go all the way, so you go follow the line. And there you go. Follow the line. Follow the line. See that? Alright. Go again, do the same thing. Don't brush on too much, just brush on enough. Let me show you. Yeah, go follow the line. Follow the line. As I said, take your time. Don't rush. See that? No, not me. Go again. See? Sometimes it comes heavy. I'm gonna just work with it. I'm not done. Then, so actually 5 things I need. So the pencil, concealer, brow, makeup pencil, sharpener, which is optional, but I still put it in because anytime I do my brow, I need my sharpener, and my makeup remover, which is form of a wipes. Voila! So I always have this. Always. Let me see, so I have, when this run out, I have a full pack. When I see this run out, I start fret. Like I have a full pack, but I still fret. And I won't have to know something. I stack up. I don't know what's wrong with me. So this is it now for me. I am just going to go back and remove, because remember now, when I use makeup, my foundation now, and just go in and fade out them part there. But I don't want a line in my brow, and I'm not wearing any other makeup than this, as I told you. So look now. Alright, this just wet, so it won't dry. Alrighty then, don't rush. I'm broke my makeup coming on. It's not like them lead time. I just go in back with my hand and fade off everything and just, yeah, you know? And I just do it so. So I'm going to show you the color. 100%. 100%. 100%. Well, the one here could have cut down someone. Yeah, the one I could have cut down. You see the one that look nice? Alright, don't worry yourself. Let me show you another trick. See, the tutorial can't even done yet. not perfect, but you try to get it. So I'm just going in so again. I'm gonna cut it down. I want him to look larger than life, you know? Just going and cutting down so. Cutting down so. See? That's arm I do. You see? You see? Arm I do. So sometimes you have to go back and then okay, you know, you have to make sure so your cousin and everybody are blend together. Right? So just go back through this. So yeah, good girl. Stop now. Stop. Then we're not done because we just have come. Go back again. See little wipes. Now keep it now. So I keep it into a pouch, into my ziplock, so it stays. Cause the time is cold, so it not dry out. I tell you. So I might get all 3-4 wipes out of this. Yeah. I just look for clean apart them. Yeah, nobody look at my dry and then I lotion them yet. Yeah. Just kind of so. Yes, I know. What wanna have to say about this? Wanna have to say about it? Now I think this is. That's a thing. I made that. I said I made this. Alright. So alright. Then remember my husband wears elastic panties all the time. I put it back on the people because I know I want elastic panties. Sometimes catch up your locks. Same come in a mirror, put it back. So again, let me show you what I have. So I'm gonna do is a facial toner, which is rose water. It hydrates the skin. I know them a cold time, you know. See those funny face, so funny face, so funny face, so. And just make it dry. Alright. Just myself. Yes, good girl. And I'm out.